1 BD. Let's go and have the experience. We are picking up speed. Let's enjoy this. And we are heading straight towards the skyline. Look, we have a jet ski passing us. It was just 1 BD. We're currently deep in the ocean, going through lots of bumpy waves. Probably giving a rainbow skyline. Experience this with family. It's just cost 1 BD. And we go towards the boat. We have like 1, 2, 3 boats, 4 boats. I think that's ours for the day. So let's go and have the experience. It's approximately 5:50 right now, and the sun is almost about to set. We're very excited. Let's get on the boat. Hello, my friend. How are you? First step into the boat. Let's go to the front. We'll have the front view. This is nice. Assalamu alaikum. Can sit here, okay? Looks like we have to wear the jacket, so let's wear the jacket and come back. So as I was sitting here, I could see some small fishes right deep in the water. So small fishes, they're just like kind of sparking. Yeah, I'm not sure if that comes in the GoPro, but it's like a group of them is playing around. So more and more people are still coming, and we're waiting for the captain. I think we can see the captain. The captain is here. Hi, captain. Yes, here we go. So we are leaving from the port. It's actually one of the perfect time to go to the ocean because the sun has almost set down. Yeah, it's like the golden hour, and you can see the skyline just there. I think I'm gonna go towards those and then make a round there, go all the way there and then come back. So we are picking up speed. I can see the sun right in the middle of those 2 towers. It must not be coming in the GoPro. Let's enjoy this. We have this bridge. This is connecting Jufair and all the way to the head. This place is called Jufair. A lot of skylines has been developed in the Jufair areas, and we are heading straight towards the skyline. Look, we have a jet ski passing us, and one more there. I think they both are friends because they have the same destination going ahead. It was just 1 BD, and I think it's really worth it because it's nice to experience such kind of things. And yeah, nice hour and good time of the day. We have towns there back in the distance. You don't see it, but it's there. We're currently deep in the ocean, in the middle of the ocean right now. So we're going through lots of bumpy waves. And we will go back soon towards the main point that we started. And once we go back in the park, the exciting part is that it's getting evening, so the light is gonna get glow up with lights, and there is gonna be lots of colors in the park, and it's gonna be a different look than we had in the daytime. So I'm very excited to go back in the park just to see the difference. Slowing down at this moment because we're very close to the land, and we'll reach our destination probably in around 3 to 4 minutes. We have almost reached close to the land, and we're about to go to our main spot that we started from. You can see this iconic tower that we talked about earlier. That's what makes this place a lot more unique, and you can see it from a very long distance as well. I can already see lots of lights has been blown up there, and slowly we're going to turn back left right from where we started. I'm sure this will light up right an hour or something like that. All the buildings will also glow up. They will all have unique colors and different colors, probably giving a rainbow skyline. And we are very close. We are turning left at the moment. And I can see there are already lots of more people waiting in line to get on the boat for their next ride. So yeah, we're almost done with the trip. It was a really nice trip, nice view, nice wind, nice temperature, nice time, and it was worth it with one BD. So yeah, should make time and come and experience this. Experience this with family or yourself, friends, but just experience it. We are slowing down, and we'll catch back once we get out of the boat. Everyone is excited and prepared to leave. Expecting a lot of rush in the back, so we'll take our own time and be the last person to get out. This is the dock. Captain, thank you. So he was the same captain last time I made the tour. He does an amazing job, brought us back safely. So yeah, thanks to the crew. See you everyone. One last look before we leave. So guys, we have made it safely back to the land, and it was a very nice trip. I really enjoyed it. Again, we are out from the boat, and we could see the park was getting more of light, just lightening up. So we are back to the park, and I'll show you quickly how this looks. So this is the view that we saw from the ocean, and now we are back to here. We have some people already gathering up. This is a small play zone area for kids to come and enjoy. The prayer is about to start, so we will stop and come back after the prayer ends. We have this small buggy ride for kids and for juniors. There's a small buggy ride. On top of me we have the light, the bulbs that goes in a zigzag manner all the way till the end of the park. So instead of going any more further, we're just gonna go this way, give one more look to the dinosaurs, an exit from the park. We also have small shops and stores to get cold drinks, water, popcorns. And we are back to the place of the dinosaurs. I'm sure there's lots of fountains, but I didn't see them running in the afternoon. Probably it might start now. I was expecting a lot more light on the dinosaurs, but oh yeah, there is here at the bottom. Oh no, that was a reflection from other side coming out. No, there is actually. Okay, yes, there's a light only at the bottom but not on the top. Okay, fair enough. It still looks cool. What about the other one? I think yes, we also got some light at the bottom of it. It's reflecting blue and red at the moment. So this is the full view of the dinosaur, and here we have text saying Dino Park. Lovely. And then we have light at the bottom, colorful light. Actually it changes in every 3 seconds, I think 3 to 4 seconds. Yeah, probably. Let's check the other side. So we have dinosaur at the back and we are leaving this area going towards the artificial lake that we discussed. The lake is absolutely calm, no waves at all, just like we experienced in the boat ride in the ocean, the bumpy ride. But I'm sure if you have a ride on a boat here in this lake, it's not going to be quite that bumpy. It's going to be very calm. So, and it's not motor, it's paddle, so you have to paddle and ride the boat. I believe this is actually a fountain which is not on at the moment. Probably it might start to run in a while. And over there we have the colorful buggy ride that we spoke. It wasn't lighting up earlier, but it looks really very colorful now. Looks very attractive. I think it's mostly for the kids. Adults can also jump in, but kids will love this more. Look how colorful this looks. Today is Saturday, so the park is not so busy, but usually on the weekends like Thursdays and Fridays it's really busy. It gets really busy. Families comes in, does barbecue. You can also do picnic over here, or just come in and see the sea, sit beside the sea, talk with your loved ones over the phone, and just chill and relax. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. We're gonna end this vlog and we'll see you in the next one.